Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create Twilio account SID and Auth token. Alright, let's begin. First, log into your Twilio console. If you don't already have an account, create one by filling in your details, confirming your email, and then signing in. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the dashboard, which serves as the hub for all your project information. On this dashboard, look for the Account Info panel. This section displays your key account details. Here, you'll see your account SID, which acts as your account's unique identifier. Think of it as the ID number for your Twilio account, required for any integration or project setup. Next, you'll need your Auth token. For security reasons, it's hidden by default. To reveal it, click the eye icon next to the concealed number. This token functions like a password paired with your SID, allowing you to authenticate requests to Twilio's API. Remember to keep it safe and never share it publicly. So that's basically how you can create Twilio account SID and Auth token. That's it for this video. Thanks.